Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to transform your old Motorola device to IP web camera. In this video I'm going to show you how to make it local web camera, but if you wanna set it up like global web camera, so when you're at work, for example, to see video capture from your home, so just write in comments and I will record video about that. But basically it's very easy to do. At the very beginning, open Play Store. We should download necessary software. So open search field and find here IP webcam. Open application from Tiny tag and click install. Wait a while and cool. Now once it downloaded, just click open button and here you can set it up. For example, you can set up local broadcasting. If you have several devices on the same port, you can change the port here. If you wanna pay for global streaming, you can buy a subscription for IP Webcam Cloud, and it's really cool service, but it's paid, of course. Then you can set up power management. If you wanna use this camera, for example, only when motion detected or something, so you can find these features here. Scroll a bit down, find here interface. Not now. Wait a bit. Okay, it's not working for now. Discard changing. Okay, scroll down and the most important button is start the server and just grant permissions. So grant everything. So while you're in the app, for camera access, for microphone access, and of course we should watch short advertisement just to start the local server. Of course, you can buy premium to remove ads. Okay, here we go. Timo. Okay, yeah, that's it. And now server was successfully started, and as you can see here we have our web camera. And here, as you can see on the bottom on our screen, we have IP address. So what should we do? We just should input this address right in your web browser. So in my case, it's 168.88.245 double dots and 8080. Okay, and as you can see, wait a bit. Okay, as you can see, it works. Now, as you can see, here is my smartphone. Yeah, and as you can see, I can just use my smartphone like web camera, right? And here, as you can see, we can disable audio or enable audio, so I can use audio monitoring too. We can even use two-way audio, so when you talking something to your computer right now, so your smartphone will play this sound. We can take photos, for example, as you can see, photo was just taken. What we can do next, so we can change even the camera to front, for example, right? Motion detection we can enable or disable. We can change sensitivity of motion detection. We can zoom in or zoom out, as you can see. So yeah, cool. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.